Hi dear viewers, this is going to be another controversial video. In this video I am going to tell what is the concept of God according to me. Because I believe in God, okay, there are a lot of non-believers in God. I am not going to talk anything about them. Okay, I am just going to talk what is my concept of God. I recently happened to see one video in that a person who is a biggest politician of Tamil Nadu, whose family used to hate God like anything, for namesake, for vote sake, etc. In fact, in their house they used to do puja. Okay, I happened to see that video also. Okay, his father, who is the greatest politician, who will scold the God in outside world, and they happen to have some pujas in their house. And this person's wife is a strong believer in God. Okay, let us not talk about much about them. My concept of God, because this video is for those people who ask question about the God. Okay, let us understand the question. What he made in that video is, he used to say that people used to bring Brahmins to their house. They used to, the pandits, they will tell some mantras. If we ask, we ourselves doesn't know the meaning of it. If we ask other person, they also don't know the meaning of it. If we ask that person, that mantra person, he may not also tell the exact meaning of it. Then why that mantra, why it, etc. He used to talk that. Okay, let us understand in a different perspective. Okay, today we are in COVID situation. Imagine tomorrow we are getting a vaccine of COVID. Okay, that vaccine is the God. Okay, according to me, that vaccine is the God. Now, the person who gets the vaccine injected, do you know exactly where and all the vaccine used to go, how it will get cured? Nothing. The person who is injecting the vaccine, doctor, can he tell the exact proportion, composition of whatever it is, whatever medicine the doctor injects? Okay, so if he can able to tell, can he able to create it? Okay, he cannot create it. Why then? If the doctor can able to inject it, why can't he create it? Why should we wait for someone to create it? Okay, see, the thing is, like, there are 100 issues like this, okay, which we can only we cannot question it, we can only experience it, like medicines, electricities, we can experience it. Okay, you cannot see, you cannot touch, you have to only feel it. And there are beliefs 100 years before or 1000 years before this belief came. This belief, see, it is a pure science belief. Okay, but since we don't have that level of education, we can't prove it. But over a period of time, it will get proved. Okay, it will get proved, because we don't have that sense, that much sense, that fourth dimension, fifth dimension and all, we don't know. Now we are only in third dimension, we are finding fourth dimension. So that we are yet to reach that level. Thousands of years before, our ancestors have designed it. Okay, see, if we cannot, for example, if for example, one small kid is there. Okay, if we are telling something, if the kid is not okay with it, what you will do? You will shout at it and you will tell, this is how you should do. You have a reason for it, but the kid cannot understand the language. That's the reason you may even afraid, that means like make the kid fear some things, etc. You created. Everything is created like that, and that becomes like a false hope. Because see, something we have to do means we have to do. There is a reason for it, but we don't know how to understand that reason. But there is a reason for it. It's beyond our brain actually. But it will take some time for us to understand it. That time, yes, we will understand it. But till that time, we should not question so much. Yes, you can question. There are some false hope. But the false hope is there in all the religions, okay? It is not only in Hindu religion. That false hope is there in, if at all you say, like, no, there are strong believers of Jesus, there are strong believers of Allah, okay? But these people will never question this false hope belief in other religion. They will talk for what purpose? And we should not get misguided by these kind of speech. Yes, if there is a false hope, we have to accompany, means like we have to change it. For example, this Manu Smriti, Manu Dharma, etc. There are some false hope created in that during some tenure. For example, in Tamil Nadu, lottery is allowed till some time, right? Lottery is allowed till some time. But today, lottery is not allowed, correct? So, plastic bags are allowed till some time. Plastic bag is a problem, okay? Plastic bag is not good, but it was allowed till some time. but after that we changed our law, etc. Today plastic bags are not allowed. Like that, in some time there is some law which is enforced, which is creating a falsehood, but today it is not even in existing. And if you are questioning that law, with that you compare the entire religion, it is of totally. So whoever believes in that, no, whoever started believing in that, they will turn back. Okay, see, these people are doing entirely for vote purpose. In fact, if you are that great enough, you can convince your wife first, then to tell the outside world. Okay, you cannot even tell and convince your wife. In your family itself, people are strongly believing in God, etc., and you are coming and telling the entire outsiders. Okay, so this is my concept of God. I told my concept of God. See, this video will have like almost 50% dislikes, because the previous video I talk about the good time to download the thing, it has like 30%. Like, no, for example, 1/3 of the people who watch the video, who likes and dislikes is like 1/3. This video even will go for even 50% of dislikes, but I don't bother about it, because it's there inside my heart. I want to talk about it. I just talked about it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.